Bodyworks. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. So today's video is going to be a do-it-yourself stress relief roller bottle. So this time of year, 2020, has kind of been stressful altogether, but this time of year school is going back in. So whether you're a teacher or a principal or school faculty, or maybe you're a homeschool parent for the first time, or maybe you're a returning homeschool parent, this will help you with your stress level. And not only will it help you, but it can help your students as well. So today with our stress relief roller bottle, we're gonna be upcycling a roller bottle. I've already popped out the roller top and washed it out really well. So we're just recycling that. We're gonna be using Stress Away from Young Living. That has some lime and vanilla hints in it. It smells really good. It's great for, just smelling it just makes stress kind of melt away. And then we also have lavender. So lavender is great for supporting our emotional well-being as well. So the two of these are a powerhouse when it comes to feeling relaxed. I also have some fractionated coconut oil. You can use any carrier oil that you want to use. I already have the fractionated coconut oil because that's what I use in my massage therapy practice. I love fractionated coconut oil because it doesn't stain and it doesn't cake up to a solid. But you could use like a V6. I mean, there's so many different ones that you can use. I also have a little funnel for the coconut oil, but you don't necessarily have to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and begin. We're gonna start with our Stress Away. Now you can do as little as 10 drops. However, I like to put 15 of each, but it's completely up to you. This is just a 10 milliliter bottle. So 10 drops is fine, but like I said, I'm gonna do 15. And then we'll go to our lavender. This one goes a little bit quicker, so it shouldn't be too long here. And there we go. So after you get your either 10 or 15 drops of each oil, we're gonna put that fractionated coconut oil in here. You want to make sure you leave enough room for your roller to go in. And you just pop it back in. I'm going to put the lid on it and give it a couple of shakes. It smells amazing. So it's great to put right here on the wrist, rub your wrist together, kind of like a perfume roller bottle. You can also put it right behind your ears or even the top of your ears. So you have some emotional points up here around the bridge of the ear. So you can put it up there or behind. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like. Please, please, please subscribe to the channel. I'm definitely trying to build the channel, and by subscriptions, it just shows me that people are actually watching this. All right, so take care, and I will see you next time.